It is always seen that most of the health camps have been organized for allopathic medicine only. But with the changing times, now the trend of people is increasing towards Ayurvedic medicine. And in this, the Ministry of Ayush of the country is playing an important role, in which now Ayurvedic medical camp is also being organized. One such example is a mega medical camp recently organized by BSF on Saturday at Holy Cross School, Umkiang, East Jaintia Hills, under the Civic Action Program, in which doctors from both allopathic and Ayurvedic systems of medicine participated. Large numbers of people from the area reached out and got their medical examination done. Deputy Commissioner of East Jaintia Hills District, Abhilash Baranwal, was also present on this occasion.
मेघालय being predominantly agricultural society, यहाँ पे बहुत स्कोप भी है और अगर रिसर्च किया जाए तो ये काफ़ी बेहतर हो सकता है मेघालय के लिए भी, क्योंकि ये हर्ब्स जो होंगे वो हाई वैल्यू क्रॉप्स भी होंगे।